back papa of these fields. Because nakaharang ano.
Okay, Fox. Itong town proper na ituloy mo na lang. Research ka man sa panyo, no?
One side lang naman ako. Pero to one side of the road, I can see how the countryside looks like.
Saan tayo mag-dinner? Wala akong nakita along the way
Wala nga eh.
na ganang type. Pero marami sa Budapest.
Wala yung Budapest. Kain na tayo dito kahit mag-order tayo. Eh, whatever, pwedeng kain natin.
See? Dami mong red.
I don't see. Didn't even find.
There's so many, but they're not serving the one you want, babe. They're all like burgers, plated. No, it's not the thing you want. So,
Straight ahead.
for 12 kilometers. You can find, maybe dun sa site mismo, there's food. Sir. Sa store,
Kainan, no?
sa grocery for dairy foods. Posta. Grabe, no? Konti ang tao. Is today's Monday, right? Or Sunday for them? It's Monday. Kasi parang there's no restaurant, kasi more parang residential. So, non-commercial.
Dapat dun sa kuha natin, pero may resto dun, no? Wala, no? Sa Bisigrad. Pero baka may dito, kakasada to, major.
Meron dito, marami man dito lahat concept. After all the oh, I like this green fields. There's a green fields after this. Yeah. Once there were green fields, used by the sun. There were valleys where rivers used to run. But what are they planting? I mean, it's just grass. Because maybe it's winter. Okay, can I turn this off now?
Okay.